Hey, this is the Mackie Micro Series 1202 mixer. The first series of Mackie mixers which were built in the early 90s in the USA. Unlike many of today's mixers, it only has a low shelf equalizer and a high shelf equalizer. This makes it seem very limited from today's perspective, but actually it was a very big thing in the 90s home studio era, so that it became an important part of the 90s house music scene. It's built like a tank and is very famous for its gain overdrive on the TR-909 kick drum. Here is a little sound demo of the mixer. There is also a digital emulation of the Mackie preamp by Air Windows. If you want that Mackie preamp sound, you can download the plugin and try it out for yourself. I also made a demo of the plugin for comparison. Thanks for watching. If you have any further questions, write them down in the comments.